Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. The Red Bride of Bengali folklore. There is a wonderful and witty proverb in the Bengali language about chili pepper. It's a marvelous description of ripening chili peppers. When the gentle breeze blows, the ripened red chili peppers go up and down hanging from its plant. In Bengali folklore, the red chili pepper is compared to a new bride because the new bride wore a red dress. The ripened chili pepper is also red in color. Thus the swinging of a chili pepper plant compared to a red-dressed bride. The chili pepper is an important spice all over the world. Here are some amazing facts about chili pepper. Fact number 1. Nowadays, there is not a single day where the inhabitants of the globe don't eat chili pepper. But the Asians have to pass 9,000 years without having the chili pepper. The colonists brought the chili pepper plants from South America. There were black pepper, piper longum, and ginger in Asia, and the Asians minuses their want of chili pepper by using black pepper, piper longum, and ginger in their cooking. It is assumed that the Asians consumed much more chili pepper during these 400 years. The South Americans consumed the chili pepper in 9,000 years. Fact number 2. According to famous lexicographer Haricharan Bandyopadhyay, once upon a time, in Bengali, the pepper was called gach marriage. The origin of the word marriage is quite obscure. Some Bengali scholars think the word marriage came from Mauritius Island. In the Sanskrit language, the word marriage indicated one kind of paddy, not chili pepper. Fact number 3. Chili peppers are the fruits of capsicum pepper plants, noted for their hot flavor. They are native to South and Central America. In early civilizations such as the Incas, Mayans, and Aztecs, chili peppers were used as a currency. Fact number 4. Chili was brought to the rest of the world by Christopher Columbus, who discovered America in 1493. Christopher had set from Spain to reach India to bring spices such as pepper back to his country. Christopher not only mistook America for India, but also mistook chili as the black pepper. That is how the chili got the name chili pepper. He took chili pepper back to Spain where it became a very famous spice. Chili spread to the rest of the European countries. Chili became the indispensable spice in European cuisines. In 1498, the Portuguese explorer Vasco da Gama reached Indian shores, bringing with him the pungent spice. Fact number 5. Today, there are more than 400 different varieties of chilies found all over the world. Fact number 6. The substances that give chili peppers their intensity when ingested or applied topically are capsaicin and related compounds known as capsaicinoids. Fact number 7. There are only 40 calories in 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, of chili pepper. Fact number 8. Chili Day is celebrated on the fourth Thursday in February on the grounds that hot food is most needed in a cold month. Fact number 9. While capsaicin may burn and irritate the flesh of mammals, birds are completely immune to its effects. As a result, birds are largely responsible for helping wild peppers spread by eating them and excreting the seeds. Fact number 10. Chili pepper is a very good source of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B6, potassium, copper, and manganese, and a good source of dietary fiber, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, folate, iron, magnesium, and phosphorus. Fact number 11. Chili peppers help you burn more calories by raising the body's core temperature during digestion. What's more, they trigger a reaction in your gut that tells your nervous system to produce more brown fat, a healthy fat that expends calories. Fact number 12. Scoville heat unit, a measure of spiciness, or SHU, is a way of quantifying how spicy a pepper is by measuring the concentration of capsaicinoids. Capsaicin is the chemical responsible for the spicy sensation within a pepper. There are many hot chili peppers in the world, and the hottest chili peppers are as follows: A Carolina Reaper 2,200,000 Scoville heat unit. Trinidad Moruga Scorpion 2,009,231 Scoville heat unit. Trinidad Scorpion Butch T 1,463,700 Scoville heat unit. Naga Viper 1,349,000 Scoville heat unit. Ghost Pepper, But Jolokia, 1,041,427 Scoville heat unit. Red Savina Habanero 500,000 Scoville heat unit. If you like our video, Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.
Banting ni kuting nari, kembaya kata